Okay, in this short video, you're going to make a viewfinder. Get a regular piece of paper, fold it in half, then you're going to cut that piece of paper in half. Oh, and this is what we're making. That's a viewfinder. Okay, cut that piece of paper in half. Then you're going to cut it off a little to make it more square. Now you're going to fold that in half and mark where you're going to cut it so you don't get, you can make it kind of even, and how far in you're going to cut. Make one cut on that side, another on the other side, and then cut across. And that's a viewfinder. Now, what would you be using this for? Well, it's useful when you're doing either landscape drawing or still life drawing. If you have a whole mess of stuff in front of you, to help you determine what part of that you're going to draw. So I'll put some stuff down here. And let's pretend you wanted to draw part of this. So what would make the more interesting composition? Well, you can take your viewfinder and move around until you get a composition that you think is more interesting than another area of it. Or it can help you determine if you don't have enough things in the drawing, or what position you want the different things in the drawing. You can also use this as a still life, because when you're standing, a landscape, because when you're outside, you have such a huge view. This can help you cut down your view a little bit. The other way to use this is to use your phone, because this is exactly what you do with your phone. When you're taking a photograph and you move your phone, you're determining what you really want to photograph of, and what you want to cut out and what you want to leave. So keep one of these with you, and or also use your phone to do the same.